All right. I'm going to start this one with a fascinating story about refrigeration. Now, stick with me. When you think about refrigeration and when that technology was invented, it perfectly captures what's happening with AI right now. Think about it. The inventor of refrigeration made decent money, but Coca-Cola, they built an empire by using that technology in a unique way. Right now, that's exactly what we're seeing with AI. Most businesses are stuck debating whether they should use these tools, while a few smart companies are already building their empires. But here's what's really interesting about AI and machine learning is if you were to talk to Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and gave them the same inputs, they're all going to create basically the same AI model. It's like giving two master chefs the exact same 3 ingredients, they'll make similar dishes. But if you add one extra ingredient, one unique element, it could be something completely different, and one of the chefs could create something extraordinary. That's exactly what's happening in business right now. While everyone else is using ChatGPT and other AI tools in the same basic way, the real opportunity lies in finding your unique ingredient. But before we can talk about building your AI empire, we need to address the 5 deadly myths that are keeping you from even getting started. Myth 1, AI technology is the same across the board. This couldn't be further from the truth. There's now a wide variety of AI tools designed for different business needs. From creating images with, let's say, Midjourney versus, Flux Pro, to videos with Sora or the new Google model, and even different AI solutions for customer support. They're all different and they all have their unique place in the market. Myth 2, AI has no relevance for my industry. The reality is that AI can simplify repetitive tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and offer increasingly high levels of customer support, regardless of your industry. Just read this stat the other day. By 2030, AI is projected to boost global economic output by $13 trillion. This is something that's going to be in every single industry. And again, it doesn't have to be something that is a 0 to 1 innovation. AI at its very basic level is going to help automate repetitive tasks. Myth number 3. AI applications are too costly. I think we all know that's not true, especially given that most of these AI models are using cloud technology, making it much easier, much more accessible, and much more cost efficient for the average person to access these tools. AI tools are now available as scalable, pay-as-you-go models. Many of the tools, including ChatGPT, offer free versions. You might even be using something currently that has a free version. For example, if you use some of the Microsoft products, they have free versions. Gemini has free versions. Google Notebook LM has free versions. Midjourney has free versions. There's free versions everywhere because every company is wanting to get you onto their platform because, of course, they want the data, the eyeballs, and the usage. So it doesn't have to be expensive. Myth number 4, using AI results in job losses. This is the biggest thing people are afraid of. And here's what the research is actually showing. AI is creating as many jobs as it displaces. And some of the stats are saying by 2028, 75% of enterprise software engineers will use AI-powered tools to boost productivity. We'll talk about some of those on the channel. Things like Bolt, Cursor, there's Copilot, GitHub Copilot. There's all these different coding tools coming out. And what they're finding is similar to what a lot of these AI tools need, and that is the human in the loop. A human is going to be the conductor of sorts, understanding the code quality, understanding if code should be deployed. And of course, they'll get smarter and smarter with agents and things like that. But for the near future, humans are still very good at seeing the larger picture. And it's not about replacement, it's about enhancement. AI is not going to replace your job, but someone that knows how to use AI for their job is going to replace you. I 100% believe that's a real sentiment because I've even seen personally with what we do with DesignX and the implement AI services, we're able to 10x productivity using these tools for our own business as well as client businesses. Myth number 5, we need perfect data to start. In one of the videos, I mentioned that garbage in, garbage out. You do want to have higher quality data, but that shouldn't stop you from getting started. While data quality matters, waiting for the perfect data, just like being a perfectionist in anything, is a mistake. AI models are built to work with imperfect data and improve over time. You don't have to have absolutely perfect data to get started. So you can start small, test your systems, and make data refinement an ongoing process in your company as a whole. So here's your homework. Pick one repetitive task in your business that just takes up too much of your time, even just for you personally. If you're a business owner, a lot of our clients are $1 million in top line to $50 million in top line, but the founders, owners, executives, it's still important that they are hands on keyboard, experimenting with this stuff to understand the technology enough to know the best way to implement it into their business. Kind of gives them focus to where this type of technology can work better in their business. And that's something that we also do is help to understand that with audit and figure out kind of where your business is at and help you find those opportunities. For you as an individual in your company, solopreneur, founder, whatever, Pick one repetitive task in your business that takes up too much time. That's your starting point for AI implementation. And later this week, we'll be exploring more practical applications of AI in business. Drop a comment below with which myth has been holding you back. I read every single one of these comments and use them to create more practical implementation content for you. So hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, because we've got an entire month of AI implementation and more content coming your way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into real case studies of AI implementation success. See you there.